Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will take you through a step-by-step process of how to set up your Google Analytics account and how to measure events on your website in Google Analytics. So first of all, go to analytics.google.com and it will bring you to this particular place. You click on it will tell you start measuring. So when you click on start measuring, you have to first of all create the account or set up your Google Analytics account. So in doing that, first of all, you'll be asked to put a name of your business here or the name of the website that you're going to measure event in Google Analytics. So you put your business name and then you click on, you take this box, come and click on next. Then it will ask you of your property name and you put the name of your property. So the property name should basically be the business name. You put the name of your business, choose the country, the time zone, and the currency. After you're done with all this, you click on next. Your industry category, the number of employees of your company, and after that, you click next. Then here you choose your business objectives, whether you want to generate lead, drive sales, and then raise brand awareness. Most of the time, all these may need them. Okay, so let me just come. You can click all of them. If you want, if you click this one, you no need to click all these again. So in other words, if you want all these four, don't click on this one because if you click on this, it will deselect all of them. So you click on create after you fill all of that information. Then here and select your country. And then after that, you click on this, I accept. And then scroll down to we have additional terms here, accept. Then click on I accept. Now you'll be asked to start collecting data. So you have to choose either web, Android app, or iOS app. This one we are dealing with website. So you choose web. So we're going to now start measuring. Okay. So when you do that, now it brings you to this particular place where you are supposed to put your website URL and then the stream name to start measuring to start measuring your data. Put your website and put the stream name. So I'm just putting let me just check a minute here. What's the URL? Okay. So the stream name should be the name of the website and the URL should be the URL of the website. So for example, you see that here is coolmarconstruction.com. This one is www. So this one is the URL. It should include the www. Okay. Now, also make sure that this thing is checked on to allow for enhanced measurement. Okay. So if you are done with all this, just click on what? Create and continue. Okay, so you've created. Now it will say set up a Google tag. Now when you get to this part, it will ask you install with WordPress, install this one. My website is actually a WordPress website. Install manually, use Google Tag you already have. Now what happens is that I already have Google Tag Manager. And if you don't have a Google Tag Manager account, I will leave a link in the description of this video for you to follow and set up your Google Tag Manager. But so because I already have that one set up, I'll just click on use Google Tag you already have and click on choose. So as you can see, name. This is the Google Tag Manager I already have, and this is it. So I'll just click on it and click on confirm. Now, it has been set up, but I need to check. It seems it's not yet active and not processing the data yet. I need to check why, or I have to take certain actions on the website and make sure that it is responding. So if you look here, you see configure tag settings. So there are many ways that we can use to configure the tag settings. As you can see, it says no data received yet is because the configuration is not yet done. Now, for the purposes of this video, what I recommend is Google Tag Manager. So if you come here, you will see the stream ID. So you copy this stream ID and then come back to this place. I'm going to show you. You see Google Tag Manager here. So you click on Tag Manager. I'm opening it in a new window. I'll come back to this one because earlier on I set it up and it wasn't complete. And so when you come here, you will see tags. So I have to set up the tags. When you come here, you see tags. So you click on the tags. And then you click on new. Then you see tag configuration. So you see Google Analytics. This is the one we want. So you can see use the Google Tag and Google Analytics GA4 event tag together to enable measurement. Exactly the one we are looking for. Just click on it, and then they will ask of the measurement ID. The measurement ID is the ID I copied from the Google Analytics. When that's the stream ID. So just come back here. I already copied it earlier on. So I'll paste it. And then event name, can name it page view. Page view. So you also take this box. After I put the event name, you take this box and then let me just see here. Okay, leave it in leave the default setting there. And after that, you click on save. So it may ask you no trigger selected, add trigger. This tag does not have a firing trigger unless a trigger is added. Now, the trigger normally is you are asking it what should happen for it to indicate this particular tag. That is exactly what the trigger is about. So we can set up a trigger for a specific event, like maybe someone filling a form or maybe getting to the thank you page. But this one, we want it to be used on all the pages. Anyone who views any of the pages, it should be triggered. So for this one, we will not add a trigger. I'll just click on save tag. Then I'll name the tag as what? Google Analytics GA4 event. I think the name is too long, so I'll just make it GA4 event. I'll make it GA4 event configuration and click on save. It is asking me to enter a valid container measurement ID. So let me just go back to just go back. I just came back. This is the measurement ID. So make sure you go back to the Google Analytics and copy the correct ID. And then, so measurement ID, let me just paste it. And then save it again. So I'm saving the tag. Okay. Okay. You must select an enhanced user ID. Okay. Yeah, you click on, it's because I ticked on this one. So when you click on this one, you come here and select, when you select first party user ID. So you just come and click on new variable and then click on automatic collection, then save. And then save here, save without a trigger. So after you save, you do all that, you click on submit. Publish. The container version description, just click on skip it. It is done. Now, you need to go to your website, take action, and come back and see how it will look like. You see that it says it is now active. My Google Tag Manager has been connected successfully, and I can start tracking data. But I was having a problem, and this is how I was able to solve it. Now, initially, when I came here was indicating that the tag is not found. Meanwhile, that is what I've just taken time to do, to follow the process and do, but it wasn't found. So what happened is that the trigger was missing, the trigger, which was supposed to trigger all the pages. So I had to just come to this, click on the tags, select the GA for event configuration, then scroll down to the triggers. Then I clicked on it. Then I selected all pages. And after that, I clicked on save. Okay. After I saved, I didn't also submit yet. So after saving, I submitted. So after I saved and submitted, when I came back and clicked on it, then it now loaded and the container was found. Now, if you come back so you have to go to the site. If you want to see whether everything is working properly or not, come to the site. So you see, I've come to the site. Let me see. I want to click on read more. Click on contact us. Yeah. So after you do all this, then you come to the Google Analytics and then refresh it. Now, if you are starting, it sometimes take a long time before it will start actually giving you the figure. So as you see page view has been recorded 6 times. So these are just some of the events that I've just configured. Page view is reflecting. Other data will show, but it will take up to 24 hours, and you will start seeing a lot of data showing in when you come to your Google Analytics. When you go to home, you'll see some information showing here. You can come here, then you can see a lot, but it takes up to 24 hours for all the events to actually start showing. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video. Leave your comments in the comment section if you have any problem following this process or doing whatever I just indicated to you. If you have problem, leave it in the comment section. I'll follow up to help you get a solution to your problem. I also charge very affordable prices to set up effective Google ad campaigns for you, and also to if you want me to create Facebook or Instagram ad, or to develop a website for you, or to help you even install your Google Tag Manager or Google Analytics, I'll help you do that. Once again, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.